So here is another question on arithmetic progression. So it is given how many terms are there in the AP, which is given by 7, 11, 15 up to 139. So 139 is the last term. So we have to find out the total number of terms which is present in the given arithmetic sequence. So again, it is based on the nth term formula. So the nth term concept, which is nth term is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so for the given AP, which is 7, 11, 15 up to 139, here the first term, that is 7, and the common difference, that is 4. 11 minus 7, 4. 15 minus 11, 4. Yes. So we have the first term 7, the common difference 4. The last term is 139, which is the nth term, which we have to find out, because we have to find out how many total number of terms are there. It is the last term present. So this n, Tn, if we substitute it with 139 and try to find the value of n, that n will be the required number of terms present in the given AP. So we will substitute Tn with 139, then A, that is 7, plus n minus 1 into 4. So that implies 139 is equal to 7 plus 4n minus 4. Okay, that implies 4n plus 3 is equal to 139. That implies 4n is equal to 139 minus 3, that is 136, plus n is equal to 136 by 4. 3, 4. So we have n is equal to 34. So there are a total of 34 terms present in the given AP sequence, and the 34th term, that is 39, the last term. This is the 34th term. Okay, the total number of terms present here is 34. Okay. So here is another question on an arithmetic progression. So it is given, find the middle term of the AP, which is given by 213, 205, 197 and up to the last term, which is 37. So we have to find the middle term. So here first we'll go with the usual process. The nth term, which is A plus n minus 1 into d, that we know. Tn is the particular term, nth term position, A is the first term, d is the common difference. Here the AP is given by 213, 205, 197 up to the last term, which is 37. So here it is a decreasing AP sequence. So we have the first term, which is 213, and the common difference d, which is minus 8. So first our objective is to find the total number of terms that are present in the given AP sequence, starting from 213 ending at 37. So what we'll do, we will put this 37 in place of Tn, because it's the last term. So putting it at 37 and finding the value of n for this, we will calculate the total number of terms that are present, and then after that we'll do what is asked. So first we have to find out how many number of terms are there. So we'll substitute 37, that is 213 plus n minus 1 into minus 8, that is equal to 37. That implies 213 minus 8n plus 8 is equal to 37. That implies 8n is equal to 213 plus 8, that is 221 minus 37, and this is equal to how much? 220 minus 30, that is 190. 191 minus 7, that is 184. Yes, 184. Yes, 8n is 184. That implies n is equal to 184 by 8. So 8, 16, 24. So we have n is equal to 20. Sorry, it is not 24, it's 3 by mistake, slip of mine. It's not 4 because 32. Sorry. Silly mistakes can happen. It is 3. Okay, 3. 26, 20, okay, 2, 24, 8, 24, that is 3. Yes, 23. N is equal to 23. So we have a total number of terms present in the given AP sequence, that is 23. So if we try to split 23 into two equal halves, so we have, let's say, starting from the first position, we have, let's say, 11 terms, then we have the middle term, let's say 12, and then the 12th term. Okay, this is the 12th term. So, and then we have the next 11 terms. Okay, the next 11 terms. So 11 plus 11, 22 in the middle, this is the 12th term. Okay, the 12th term, that is the middle term. So this is the middle term, T12. So we will find that, so T12 is basically A plus 12 minus 1D, which is equal to A plus 11D. So we have A is equal to 213 plus 11 into, the common difference is minus 8. So 213 minus 88. So 210 minus 80 is 130, 133 minus 8, it is 125. Yes, 125. So the middle term, that is 125. This is the middle term of the AP. Okay, T12, which is equal to 125. Okay. So here is another question on arithmetic progression. So it is given, which term of the AP given by 24, 21, 18, 15 and so on is the first negative term. Okay, so again it's based on nth term formula. So the nth term, which is given by A plus n minus 1D for the given AP, which is 24, 21, 18, 15 and so on. Here the first term, that is 24, and the common difference, it is equal to minus 3. So it's a decreasing sequence. So these are the two important components. First term 24, common difference minus 3. So negative term means, the first negative term means that this particular nth term, Tn, it will be lesser than 0 at that particular point, the first negative term. So we have to find the value of n for which the term Tn, the representation, that is equal to, that is lesser than 0. Okay, that. So here instead of equals to, we will put lesser than 0. Okay, so here first we have to find the expression of Tn in place of 24 and minus 3. If we substitute these values, let us find the equation. So we have Tn is equal to 24 plus n minus 1 into minus 3, which is 24 minus 3n plus 3, which is 27 minus 3n. This. Now for being the first negative term, Tn should be lesser than 0. So we can say that 27 minus 3n, it should be lesser than 0, or 27 it should be lesser than 3n, or 3n it should be greater than 27, or n it should be greater than 27 by 3 implies n should be greater than 9. So the next term, so greater than 9, so it deals with only natural numbers, natural counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next term, it is 10. So n equals to 10, the 10th term, it is the first negative term in the AP. So let's test it. So let's try to find out the 9th and 10th terms. Okay, so the 9th term T9 is equal to a plus 9 minus 1d, so a plus 8d, which is equal to, the first term is 24 plus 8 into the common difference minus 3, so it is 24 minus 24, that is equal to 0. The 9th term is 0. The 10th term, which is a plus 10 minus 1, so a plus 9d, so it is 24 plus 9 into minus 3, so it's 24 minus 27 is equal to minus 3. So this is the first negative term, this is the first negative term in the AP. Okay, so this is